In the dazzling world of gemstones, one diamond stands out like the most mysterious star in the night sky. Every time it changes hands, it brings with it stories of fortune, tragedy, and legend. This is the Hope Diamond, one of the most valuable and enigmatic jewels in the world. Today, let's step into its extraordinary history. The Hope Diamond is a deep blue gem weighing 45.52 carats. Its rare, mesmerizing color, caused by traces of boron, gives it an almost hypnotic allure, as if holding an infinite mystery within. With its masterful cut, each facet reflects a dazzling glow, hinting at the diamond's long and dramatic journey through history. The Hope Diamond story begins centuries ago in the Golconda mines of India, a region famous for producing some of the world's finest diamonds. In the 17th century, a French merchant, Jean-Baptiste Tavernier, acquired the rough stone, which originally weighed over 112 carats. He later sold it to King Louis XIV of France, who had the diamond cut into a pear shape, reducing it to 67 carats. The diamond, renamed the French Blue, became one of the crown jewels of France, radiating brilliance in the royal court. However, misfortune seemed to follow those who owned the diamond. Louis XIV fell seriously ill and died, and his successors also met tragic ends. During the French Revolution, the monarchy crumbled, and in 1792, the French Blue was stolen from the royal treasury. For years, the diamond disappeared from history. It re-emerged in the 1830s in London, cut into its current size. It was purchased by the wealthy British banker Henry Philip Hope, from whom it got its name, the Hope Diamond. Yet, the curse seemed to persist. Hope's family faced financial ruin, and many of his descendants suffered tragedies and illnesses, strengthening the legend that the diamond carried misfortune. Despite the dark legends, the Hope Diamond's beauty continued to captivate collectors. Over the years, it passed through several owners, each with their own tale of fortune or tragedy. One of the most famous owners was Evelyn Walsh McLean, an American socialite who acquired the diamond in 1911. She wore it proudly, believing it brought her luck. However, misfortune struck her family. Her son died in an accident, her husband suffered mental illness, and she eventually lost much of her wealth. In 1949, the legendary jeweler Harry Winston bought the Hope Diamond. Aware of its value and reputation, he decided to showcase it to the public. The diamond became the centerpiece of exhibitions around the world, mesmerizing visitors with its beauty and mysterious history. In 1958, Winston made a stunning decision. He donated the Hope Diamond to the Smithsonian Institution in Washington, D.C. Since then, millions of visitors have admired it at the National Museum of Natural History. The diamond, once hidden in royal treasuries and private collections, is now a historical treasure, freely accessible to the world. Over the years, scientists have studied the Hope Diamond's supposed curse. Some believe its blue color comes from boron, which can influence the diamond's electrical properties, possibly interfering with nearby electronics. However, the tragic fates of its owners remain unexplained. Was it mere coincidence? Or was there truly something supernatural about the diamond? The mystery remains unsolved. The Hope Diamond is more than just an expensive gemstone. It is a symbol of history, mystery, and intrigue. It has witnessed royal splendor, revolutions, fortunes gained and lost, and countless myths surrounding its power. Whether you believe in the curse or not, one thing is certain. This diamond will forever shine as one of the most legendary jewels in history, captivating generations with its beauty and secrets. Interesting vocabulary and expressions. Hypnotic, meaning having a fascinating or mesmerizing effect, Example: its rare, mesmerizing color, caused by traces of boron, gives it an almost hypnotic allure, as if holding an infinite mystery within. Fortune, meaning a large amount of wealth or luck. Example: every time it changes hands, it brings with it stories of fortune, tragedy, and legend. Acquire, meaning to obtain or gain something. Example: in the 17th century, a French merchant, Jean-Baptiste Tavernier, acquired the rough stone, which originally weighed over 112 carats. Exhibition, meaning a public display of objects such as art or valuable items. Example: the diamond became the centerpiece of exhibitions around the world, mesmerizing visitors with its beauty and mysterious history. Coincidence, meaning a situation in which events happen at the same time by chance. Example: was it mere coincidence, or was there truly something supernatural about the diamond? Enigmatic, meaning mysterious and difficult to understand. Example: this is the Hope Diamond, one of the most valuable and enigmatic jewels in the world. Crumbled, meaning to break into small pieces or to collapse. Example: during the French Revolution, the monarchy crumbled, and in 1792, the French blue was stolen from the royal treasury. Persist, meaning to continue to exist or happen, especially in a way that is difficult to stop. Example: yet, the curse seemed to persist. Hope's family faced financial ruin, and many of his descendants suffered tragedies and illnesses. Captivate, meaning to attract and hold someone's attention or interest. Example: despite the dark legends, the Hope Diamond's beauty continued to captivate collectors. Historical, meaning related to history or past events. Example: the diamond, once hidden in royal treasuries and private collections, is now a historical treasure, freely accessible to the world. Intrigue, meaning arouse curiosity or interest, make someone want to know more. Example: the Hope Diamond is more than just an expensive gemstone. It is a symbol of history, mystery, and intrigue. Curse, meaning a supposed supernatural cause of misfortune. Example: over the years, scientists have studied the Hope Diamond's supposed curse. Thank you for watching. We hope this exploration of the Hope Diamond's legend helped you learn new English words while diving into its captivating past. Keep learning and stay curious.